Hi students, welcome. Now we'll start today's class with the lesson number systems. Now under number system, let's recall what we have learned in our smaller classes. Okay, the first number, natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The counting numbers 1, 2, 3, the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Next is integers. What are integers? Let's recall integers. The numbers, the whole numbers along with the negative numbers are called integers. Let me represent integers on a number line. Now, I'll draw a number line. 0, 1 positive numbers on 3, 4, 5. Positive numbers on the right side of 0 and negative numbers on the left side of 0. Okay? Now, these numbers are called integers. The numbers, whole numbers and negative numbers are called integers. Now, I am going to represent a number on this number line, that is a number exactly in between 0 and 1. So, what is a number that is in between 0 and 1? It is half, isn't it? 1 by 2. Now, what is 1 by 2? 1 by 2, you have learnt in your lower classes. 1 by 2, it's called a fraction. Fraction. What's a fraction? A part of a whole is called a fraction. Fraction, you'll have a number above a line and a number below the line. This is called fraction. Now, let's come to a number which is in between 0 and minus 1. Now, as I did the same way, let me take the mid value between 0 and minus 1. What is the number which lies between 0 and minus 1? It's minus half. It's nothing but minus half. Now, what is this minus half? We know that a fraction consists of only positive number. Now, minus 1 by 2, it consists of a negative number. So, just recall what you have learned the next about. It's nothing but it's a rational number. It's a rational number. Rational number. Let us recall what's a rational number. A number which is of the form P by Q. So, rational number is of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Where P and Q are integers. Integers, I mean that P will have positive as well as negative number. Q will have positive as well as negative number. So, rational number is a number which is of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers, and another important point is that Q is not equal to 0. This is very important condition you should remember. So, P and Q, the rational number, I will repeat again, a rational number is of the form P by Q, where P P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Okay, children? Yes. Now, let's see examples of rational numbers. 1 by 2. As I told you, 1 by 2 is a rational number. Minus 1 by 2 is a rational number. 3 by 4 is a rational number. Minus 5 by 6 is a rational number. All these are examples of rational number. Why? Because they are all in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. The denominators are not equal to 0 and the P or P by Q are all in the form of integers. Now, I am going to put a question for you. Is minus 25 a rational number? You may think minus 25 is an integer. Is it a rational number? Minus 25 is an integer. You may think that it's not in the form of P by Q and so you may get confused whether it's a rational number. So minus 25 is an integer. It is also a rational number because minus 25 can be written as minus 25 by 1. So, minus 25 by 1. Now, it is a rational number because now it is in the form of P by Q where P is minus 25 and Q is equal to 1. Right, children? Okay. Likewise, 28. Another example. 28. Is it a rational number? Yes, because 28 can also be written as 28 by 1 where P is 28 and Q is 1. So 28 is also a rational number. I think it's clear for you. Now you have a question in your exercise. Is 0 a rational number? This is your exercise question. Is 0 a rational number? Give reason for it. Is 0 a rational number? You may think 0. 0. 0, you know it's a whole number. Now, is 0 a rational number? Yes, I already told you. 0 can also be written as 0 by 1. Where your P is 0 and Q is 1. So, 0 by 1, yes, it's a rational number. It is a rational number. What's the reason for it? Because 0 can be written as 0 by 1. So 0. Yes. Now, let's go for another exercise question. Write true or false for the given statement. Write true or false for the given statement. Now, the first question is, every whole number is a natural number. Every whole number is a natural number. Right? True or false? Now, what is whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Every whole number is a natural number. Think. So, you know 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are natural numbers. But zeros here. So, every whole number is a natural number. It is not true. It's false. Every whole number is not a natural number. Let's have the reverse case. Every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Every natural number, it's a whole number. Yes, isn't it? Every natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4 are all whole numbers. So, that statement is true. So, these are the two cases you always get confused because every whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Every whole number is a natural number. It's false. Whereas, every natural number is a whole number. It's true. Okay. Next, we have the third question is, every integer integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. Now, as I told you, integers, positive numbers and negative numbers. Every integer is a rational number. I gave you an example also. For minus 5, so it can be written as minus 5 by 1. 0 is an integer, it can be written as 0 by 1. 14 is an integer, it can be written as 14 by 1. So every integer is a rational number. The statement is true. Clear, children? Yes. Next, the reverse of this. Every rational number is an integer. 4th question. Next is every rational number is an integer. Every rational number is an integer. You have to find out whether it's true or false. Now, I told you a rational number is of the form P by Q. So, 3 by 5 is a rational number. Is it an integer, 3 by 5? Integer means positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. So, 3 by 5 is a rational number, but it's not an integer. Any example, other example you take, rational number minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 is a rational number, but it's not an integer. So, every rational number is an integer is false. The statement is false, right? Okay. Now, we are going for the next topic. How to find out rational numbers in between two numbers. Okay. I'll be dealing you with a topic that is there are infinitely many rational numbers between two numbers. First, let's start with some small numbers. Now, I'll start with the number 1 and 2. The question is, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. There are 2 methods to find out how many rational numbers are between 1 and 2. I think the method which is easy, I'll explain to you. Right, children? Rational numbers between two numbers. Rational numbers between two numbers. Okay? 1 and 2. So, 1 and 2. How can we represent 1? 1 can be written in many ways. For example, 5 by 5. 5 by 5. Is it not equal to 1? Yes. Likewise, 6 by 6. Is it not equal to 1? 7 by 7. 7 divided by 7, that is also equal to 1. Same way, for 2, can we write it as with the same denominator? Okay, what's the denominator here? Denominator is 5. So, this 2 can be written as 10 by 5. Or, when it comes for 6 as the denominator, it becomes 12 by 6. Because 12 divided by 6 gives you 2. When it comes to the denominator 7, it will become 14 by 7. Okay? So, 1 can be written in many ways. Say, 2 by 2 is 1, 3 by 3 is 1, 5 by 5 is 1, 4 by 4 is 1. All these are representing 1. And when you compare this with this, 5 by 5, you can take it as 10 by 5 as 2, 12 by 6 as 2, and 14 by 7 as 2. Now my question is, find out 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Now, I'll take this example, 6 by 6 and 12 by 6. Now, after 6, what is the number? 7. So, numerator alone you change it. 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. Did you get 5 rational numbers? 1. This is one rational number. This is the second rational number. This is the third rational number. This is the fourth rational number. And this is the fifth rational number. So, in between 6 by 6 and 12 by 6, there are 5 rational numbers. So, we can write 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6 and 11 by 6 are the rational numbers between 1 and 2, 5 rational numbers. See why I didn't take this example. What happens if I take 5 by 5 and 10 by 5? After 5 by 5, what will you get? 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5 and 9 by 5 only. 9 by 5. So, there will be only 4 rational numbers. So, we have to find out 5 rational numbers. So, only I have taken this as an example. If you take 7 by 7 and 14 by 7, you will get 6 rational, 6 or more than that, more rational numbers. Okay, children? So, the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6 and 11 by 6. You may ask question only these? No, definitely not. You can even make one as 100 by 100 is 1, right? And what is then 2? Or you write 2 then with the same denominator, right? 1 can be written as 100 by 100 is also 1. 200 I can write, 2, this for 2 I can write with the same denominator. So 200 by 100 also I can write it as 2. Now in between 100 by 100 and 200 by 100, the denominator must be 100 always. Numerators, it can be 101 by 100, 102 by 100, need not be in the same order itself. You can write anything, 116 by 100, like 176 by 100, 184 by 100. So, these are all the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So, what does it say? Now, we are clear that there are infinitely, very important, there are infinitely many rational numbers. There are infinitely many rational numbers between 2 numbers. Between 2 numbers. Very important point. We can find out infinite rational numbers between 2 numbers. Okay, children. The next class we learn how to find out rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. Okay. Hope today's class is clear to you and will come up fresh with tomorrow. Thank you. Okay, children. The next class we learn how to find out rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. Okay. Hope today's class is clear to you and will come up fresh with tomorrow. Thank you.